lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And welcome to another Amazon haul video. So yes guys, in this haul you're gonna see some amazing products but all in golden color. So yes guys, make sure to watch this video till the end. And the best part is that all the products in this haul are under 500 rupees. So yes guys, now without any further ado, let's get started. And yes guys, before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that Amazon Great Freedom Sale is live now and get up to 70% off on all fashion brands. So yes guys, what are you waiting for? But before that, watch this video till the end. So now starting with our first item, since today's theme is golden or gold you can say, and you know that gold to zyada jewelry hoga, and you guys was telling me to come up with jewelry haul. So here I am today guys, but I have all the accessories. So now starting with the first item, guys, this is the first item. I know this is that Pinteresty belt that we all want, and I know that आप लोगों के Pinterest में भी ये वाला belt तो होगा ही होगा guys. This is not just for western wear. You can style this in Indian wear, anything guys, however you want to style it guys. This belt goes with everything, and trust me, it is worth to have one in your wardrobe, in your belt collection. To be honest, I got this one from Amazon. You can see the design right here. This belt pura give me royal vibe, to be honest, like 60s वाला aesthetic मुझे देता है, and I absolutely love it. ये मैंने साड़ी में पहना है, स्कर्ट में पहना है, jeans में पहना है, like however you want to style it guys, trust me, absolutely worth to have one. इसका ये hook वाला design है guys, and according to your waist size आपको ऐसा इसको इधर hook करना पड़ेगा, and then this is how it will look. And then इसका ये वाला belt भी नीचे से मिल जाएगा, and नीचे भी इसका ऐसा वाला दिया हुआ है एक. So you can see the detailing, right? I so absolutely love this one. You get this in silver color as well, but I think golden is like more on trend, and it will look more aesthetic, and it will give you royal vibes, especially if you're wearing this in Indian wear. So yes guys, this is it, and this is the first golden item that I have with me. And for this one, it just cost me 299 rupees, and I think in 299 this is the one of the best Pinterest item that you can get from Amazon. So yes guys, this is the first item. Okay guys, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da guys, this is another golden belt that I have with me. So yes guys, as you can see that this one is stretchable one, आप जितना भी stretch कर लो, and yeah, this is the one that I have with me. And yes guys, this one is in free size. You can see that आपको ऐसा वाला ये leaf वाला design मिल जाएगा. I love this design, and आपको सिर्फ ऐसा hook करना है, that's all, like this, and you are good to go. Oh my god, this is like one of the best belt guys, especially you can wear this in sarees, formal wear, like however you want to style it guys. Dress ke upar it will look so beautiful. And yes guys, this is the one that I have with me, and for this one it just cost me 199, and I think in 199 it is worth it guys, worth it. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So now I have more of bangles collection in this one. So the one bangle that I absolutely in love with it is, ta-da guys, this is the one that I have with me. ये जिस टाइम से ये वाला बैंगल मेरे पास आया है, मैंने इसको इतना पहना है guys, इतना पहना है, like literally this is one of the best bangle collection that I have with me. Absolutely in love with this one guys, trust me, hats off to this one, because guys इसका इतना ज़्यादा quality भी अच्छा है, and you can see the design, इसका design भी different design दिया हुआ है guys. इसका इतना ज़्यादा quality भी अच्छा है, and you can see the design, इसका design भी different design दिया हुआ है. It is a set of 20, इसमें 20 bangles है guys. You can see that इतना beautiful bangle है, you won't believe me, whenever I wear this one I get compliments, and इसको मैंने इतना ज़्यादा पहना है, अभी तक color भी नहीं गया है. You can see that I absolutely love this one, and I'm in size 2.6, so आप अपना size का हिसाब से ले सकते हो, and it fits me perfect. And for this one it cost me 250 rupees, and I think in 250 it is worth it guys, worth it. Highly recommended guys. You can style this in many ways, kurta, sari, you know, Indo-Western, like however you want to style it. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so now moving towards our another item also gold bangle है guys, and ये भी kind of similar है. It is a set of 12. You can see that इसका design and color थोड़ा सा different है आगे वाले से, and again I'm in size 2.6. This is also very simple and elegant one. थोड़ा सा उससे less heavy है. You can see that उससे थोड़ा सा less heavy है. This is also very aesthetic one, so I absolutely love this one as well. You can see that, absolutely love it, and I'm in size 2.6 again. So yes guys, this is another one, and for for this one it cost me 219 rupees, and I think in 219 this is also worth it. Okay, so now moving towards our another two items. So I have two bracelets here with me. This is the first karai or cuff bracelet, जिसको आपको ऐसा वाला करना पड़ता है according to your preference, लगाया, and again like this is more like that one, matlab stretchable one hai, and it looks like you are wearing what proper churi, but it is not. It is a cuff bangle. You can see that, or you can say in Hindi it's known as karai as well. So yeah, you get this in different types of design and color, but I got this one because it looks so good. You can see that like as if you're wearing a bangle, like very aesthetic, and this goes with western wear as well, with dress, shirt, like however you want to style it. So yes guys, this is the one, that another one that I have with me. I absolutely love this one color. इसको भी मैंने कब का लिया है, and it is here with me, and इसका color कोई कुछ problem नहीं आ रहा है, and absolutely highly recommended. आपको ये वाला एक शेड लाइटर कलर में भी मिल जाएगा, लाइट गोल्डन कलर में. So yeah, this is according to your preference, you can go with it. So yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so now last bangle that I have with me is this one right here guys. This is a very simple one. Like this is in rose gold color, not exactly gold, so you can see that it has the small design to it. You can see that इसका ऐसा वाला हुक वाला डिजाइन है, so आपको इसको ऐसे करके लगाना पड़ेगा like this, and then आगे से आपको ऐसा वाला डिजाइन मिल जाएगा. इतना सारा क्यूट सा स्टार है, you can see that, and very minimal one, very minimal. If you don't feel like wearing heavy hand bangles, then you can go with this one. Very simple and aesthetic one है ये वाला. You can see that, absolutely love it. And for this one it just cost me 116 rupees, and I think 116, this is one of the cutest deal that you can have. Okay, so now moving towards our another item, golden haul करे और उसमें earrings ना हो, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता guys. I love earrings from Amazon, and especially मैं इतना ज़्यादा silver वाला करती हूँ ना, golden तो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा मतलब दिमाग में ही नहीं आता है. So this is the one that I have with me. ये मेरा wish list में कब से था, so I decided to go with this one. So yes guys, I have here with me this one. Absolutely love it. It will look so pretty. You can see that it has this, इसमें golden में pearl वाला design दिया हुआ है, and आपको इस पीछे से ऐसा वाला मिल जाएगा for support. So yes guys, this is another one that I have with me, which I think which is absolutely cute. Yes guys, this is another one that I have with me, and I absolutely love it. ऐसा वाला design का मेरे पास नहीं है earring, and for this one it cost me 199 rupees, and I think 199 it is a cute deal. So yes guys, highly recommended. Okay, so now moving towards our last item. So the last item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, I have this golden clutch here with me, and you know that how much we need clutch when we attend a wedding. Oh my god, absolutely love it. But let's appreciate the color first and the design. Oh my god, you can see the design right here. Absolutely love it guys. And then इसे ये side वाला झुमका आप देखिए, इतना ज़्यादा cute है, and I love this design going on right here. इसको ऐसा करके थोड़ा सा ऐसा ऐसे, you get two types of handle here with me. This is the shorter one, and this is the longer one. So according to your preference, you can wear it, you can style it. So let's style this smaller one today. This is the first handle. You can see that. Oh my god, absolutely love it. Like, how can you not like it? Oh my god, absolutely love it. Highly recommended guys. It is very easy to open as well. You have to just press it here, and then it will open like this, and it is spacious as well. आपका सब कुछ phone से लेकर makeup से लेकर touch up, everything guys, it will fit inside. And guys, if you are not into small handles, then you get this longer chain as well, for your crossbody bag as well. So totally worth it guys. You get this in other beautiful colors, pink, red, white, yellow, and you get this in multiple colors from pink, black, green, white, blue, black. Like, you get multiple color options. So yes guys, this is another item that I have with me, and for this one it cost me 467 rupees, and I think 467, it is totally worth it guys. You need to have that one golden bag for every wedding that you're gonna attend. So absolutely love it. So yes guys, this is highly recommended. So yes guys, that is it. Please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll surely come up with that as well. And all the links to the products is in the description box below. Make sure to go and check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.